You've probably heard of Python, but what is it really? And why is everyone, from beginners to billion-dollar companies, obsessed with it? Let's find out. Python is a programming language, but not just any language. It's powerful, clean, and one of the easiest to learn. Think of it as the universal tool in a developer's toolbox. Python reads almost like plain English. You don't need complex symbols or 100 lines of code to do something simple. That's why it's perfect for beginners. Want to build artificial intelligence? Python is your best friend. From chatbots to self-driving cars, Python libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it all possible. Want to build a website or app? Python frameworks like Django and Flask are behind some of your favorite platforms. Python doesn't just build, it automates. From cleaning spreadsheets to scraping websites, Python saves time with just a few lines of code. Big tech loves Python. It powers systems at Google, NASA, Netflix, and even Reddit. But it's also used by indie developers and students everywhere. So, why is Python so popular? Because it's simple, versatile, and everywhere. If you're just starting your coding journey or leveling up your skills, Python is the language to learn. Subscribe to Soft Edge Academy and let's build the future together.